In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive and unarchive in Monday.com. Archiving is a great way to keep your workspace clean without permanently deleting anything. Think of it as putting a board into storage so it's out of sight, but safely preserved with all of its items, updates, files, and activity history intact. Start by opening Monday.com and heading to the board you want to manage. If you need a fresh board to practice on, open the Workspaces panel. Choose your workspace, click the plus sign, select Add New, and then pick either board or folder. This gives you a safe place to try the workflow without touching live data. With your board open, look to the top right for the three dots, also known as the More Actions menu. Click that and choose Archive Board. Monday.com will move the entire board out of your active workspace, removing it from search and views for most users, while keeping everything preserved behind the scenes. This is ideal at the end of a project when you want to reduce clutter but may need to reference past work later. When it's time to bring something back, open that same three-dot menu again and select the option to view the archive or trash. This opens a dedicated area where all archive content lives. Use the built-in filters to narrow down what you're looking for. You can filter by type, such as boards or folders, and refine by time frame or other available criteria. Filters are especially helpful if your team archives frequently and the list is long. Once you locate the board you want, select it and click Restore. The board will return to the workspace it came from, with its structure, groups, items, updates, files, and user permissions intact. If you don't see it immediately, refresh your browser or check the workspace sidebar for the restored board. Any automations that were on the board will typically resume once it's restored, so give them a quick review to make sure everything still applies. A few tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you have permission to archive or restore in that workspace, especially if you're working in a shared environment. Remember that archiving is not deleting. You can always restore from the archive, whereas deleted items may be harder or impossible to recover depending on your plan and settings. And finally, try naming boards clearly before archiving so they're easier to find later with filters or search. That's it. Archive to declutter and restore whenever you need that board back.